So guys, the time currently is just turned 3:30 a.m. I leave my house at 4:30, catch my flight 7:30 a.m. I'm just gonna stay up all night as I've been doing. So guys, I literally just made it through security. You guys can see I'm just in the airport now. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'm probably gonna go around buy maybe like an aftershave, then probably do some work on my MacBook, and yeah, by then it should be time to get on my flight. So you guys can see I found this little lounge place. Time is 5:15 at the minute. I'm probably just gonna sit here for a little bit, get some breakfast, just do some work on Telegram, all some things that I have to do. And boys, overnight while I was staying up, as you guys saw in the first clip, I did not go to sleep. The bot that I have did just over £20 on just one of my live accounts, so that is not bad considering it's literally 5 a.m. 5:30 now, flight's at 7:30, so I do have quite a lot of time just to sit here and do some stuff on the MacBook, probably get a bit of breakfast and then just chill. For those of you that haven't joined my free Telegram, please be sure to join it. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's completely free to join. I post a bunch of value in there, post a bunch of behind the scenes stuff. I'm recording pretty much everything I do here, send a bunch of Telegram and stuff like that, so make sure to join. It's completely free. But yeah, for those of you wondering what I was doing on my MacBook for about an hour or so, I was literally just doing this thing called drop servicing. So pretty much a client wanted a thumbnail, I had to just message one of my thumbnail guys, get that ready and send over to the guy, and then I managed to keep a nice little profit. So on the plane I was just scripting out a few videos, and then simply I was just cutting up a few of the videos that I had pre-recorded. So when I landed at the airport, I had some lunch and then headed back to the apartment. So guys, I haven't really vlogged much from what you guys saw last, but it was literally just me traveling like 4 hours in a car. There's nothing really much to do. I'm just in the apartment. There's literally not much for me to vlog. Throughout that, I was literally just on Telegram, trying not to sleep because I've been up for way too long. Time currently is the 4th of July, 8:52. This video, get a thumbnail sent, and yeah, I'll probably just do a time lapse for you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much the day in the life of a 16-year-old entrepreneur who is sort of traveling. But yeah, it's not the most fun thing. It's not the most exciting thing. It's quite mundane. It's quite boring. It's quite repetitive. Messaging people on Telegram, reach out to clients. Boring. Trust me, it's boring work. Cold calling is boring, but it has to get done. So make sure to join the free Telegram link in the bio. But yeah, enjoy this time lapse.